These are the cold start injectors for the 600 6.3 engines, and I'm just about to check it to make sure that the valves don't leak and the solenoid's not leaking. There's a little seal in behind the solenoid. If they leak, the car will run rich and can cause all sorts of damage to the engine. So we can see here that we've got just a little bit over 2 bar pressure in there, and there's no leaks. So that one's perfect. That one can get bolted onto the engine. I'll just do the other now. Yeah, it helps if I have some test fluid in it. Yep, perfect, no leaks. These are a little electric solenoid on the back and that just pushes against a spindle valve inside there. The spindle valve seats will leak sometimes, so what happens is you take that little bolt out with the engine, turn the key on, and the fuel pump will run, and if any fuel dribbles out of that, the valve is no good. But this one's fine, everything's perfect. Now what happens now is there's a fuel line connects from there to there. That's the return damper. That's the return line to the tank. Will be when I replace it with a new one. So we're nearly there.